Are you following a keto diet and looking for high-fiber options to include in your meals? Well, you're in luck because I have some great keto-friendly, fiber-rich food suggestions for you. One excellent choice is avocados, which not only contain healthy fats but also provide a good amount of fiber. Chia seeds are another fantastic option, as they are packed with fiber and can easily be incorporated into recipes or consumed on their own. If you're a fan of nuts, almonds are an excellent choice as they are not only low in carbs but also high in fiber. Flax seeds are small but mighty, as they are an excellent source of fiber and healthy fats. Broccoli is a low-carb vegetable that's not only packed with nutrients but also offers a decent amount of fiber. You can also consider including coconut flour in your keto recipes since it is high in fiber and low in net carbs. If you're craving pasta, try using shirataki noodles made from konjac root, which contains soluble fiber. Berries are a delicious keto-friendly fruit option that can add a pop of flavor to your diet while providing fiber. Another great choice is Brussels sprouts, which are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them a great addition to your keto meals. I hope I could help you with this info on your keto diet journey, and please, click the link below the video if you want a free keto cookbook and a 7-day keto course.